Hi, my name is Barbara, and I'm a member of the dry water movement that is growing bigger and bigger because people finally started to ask questions. Is water really wet or is it dry? And I think everybody needs a moment when they realize that everything they taught us in school is wrong. And for me, it was when I was drinking a bottle of champagne, and it said brut on it. And I said, what does that mean actually, brut? And I looked it up, and it actually means dry. So I thought, how can it be that champagne is dry, but water is supposed to be wet? That's weird. So but I started to do my own research, just wanted to find out, is water really wet? Or is it just like one of these big conspiracy theories? So I started my experiments, and I would like to introduce you to them. Show you my lab where I started to do my experiments. Come with me. So this is actually my lab. It took some time to install it and to get everything into the right place. But I will just show you like the first experiment I tried to prove that water is not wet. Okay, so I mean the first experiment is very simple. Then later I did the more elaborate stuff. Okay, so this is water, right? This is water. So I put my hand under the water, and now my hand a bit closer. Can you see? The hand is dry. Water is clearly not wet. But some may say, okay, this is staged, this is not real. I prepared some stuff, I faked my hand, whatever. So I wanted to go into some more detailed stuff to also show you that everything is a big conspiracy. So, okay. Another example that actually not only champagne is dry, also gin is dry. It says it. It actually says it on the bottle, dry gin. Not only the gin, also triple sec. This is more like a hidden message again, because sec means dry in another language. Same orange, sec. Everything means dry actually. So why should water be wet when all these liquids, it's clearly a liquid, it is, you can drink it, it's a liquid. That's clearly not dry, wet. So what do we have here? Vodka, imported. I don't know about the vodka, but these three here, clearly dry. Can you take close up, please? Dry. Look, here, look, the other one. Dry gin. Can you see that?
Yeah.
So, but still, maybe for people who don't think this is proof enough, I have another experiment ready for you. Okay, so people will ask, why would anyone stage that? Why would anyone claim water is dry if it isn't? I have a very good explanation for that. Like when the NASA claimed to go to the moon, they did not find water there, right? So that means if they really have been there and they would have found water, wouldn't they have just said water is dry? Huh? I mean, that makes sense, no? Another thing is the last and final experiment, so that even for the last people who doubted that water is dry, I'm going to put some water in this little vessel here, and then you will see what's going to happen. So, now I'm going to put the water out, and it's dry. No water in it. So I don't know what else I can show you to prove my I'm not the only one. It's a growing community. We're getting more and more all over the world. If you put it in Google, you will, like a month ago you would hit like maybe 10 and now you will find like 10,000 of sites supporting and doing even more experiments. No, turn that. Proving water is dry. We're going to have a dry water convention in Nevada, in the desert, planned for November. So you can sign up for this. I think the VIP tickets are not sold out yet. So I think it's 7,500 for the VIP ticket and 7,000 for the regular ticket. I mean, flights and accommodation you need to find out yourself. So thank you for listening, and I hope I could like put the idea in your head that not everything they tell you in school is right, and that water isn't wet. Thank you.